did Jesus appear to first after his resurrection? We find the answer in Matthew chapter 28, verse 1. A group of women, and one of the women, her name was Mary Magdalene. Now, this is an important detail, and when you read scripture, stop and really research the details. Mary Magdalene, important for a couple of reasons. Number one, we read earlier that at one point in her life, she had 7 demons. Now, this speaks to the grace of Jesus, casting out those demons and now appearing to her right away after the resurrection. Second, it tells us the truthfulness of Scripture. These details are important. For women at that time, their testimonies were not even considered. And so for Jesus to appear to a woman first, it would tell us that this gospel is not man-made. This is a historical account. If it was contrived, no one would choose Mary Magdalene or a woman to appear to. But yes, that's exactly what happened. And so we have a historical account, and Mary Magdalene was the first. And then also, it tells us about the woman herself, Mary Magdalene, and the faithfulness that God recognized. For she continued to follow Jesus when many disciples fled. She was there at the cross and by the tomb, and so God rewards her faithfulness. God rewards your faithfulness too. Her story is like our story, full of grace, truthful. He sees your faithfulness, and this is His gospel. The resurrection is His. It was not made up by any person.